Some people are walking into dealerships this month and saving over $10,000. Others are getting ripped off because they didn't check the numbers first. Today I'm going to show you the real Black Friday deals for 2025 and the free website people are using to save thousands on their next car purchase. First up, the 2025 Mazda CX-30. This is a great pick if you want something small, fun, and a little more premium than the typical subcompact SUV. For Black Friday and for November, there's a lease advertised right now at $199 a month for 36 months with $5,700 due at signing on a 2.5S all-wheel drive model, good through December 1st. You're getting sharp handling, a nicer interior than most rivals, an 8.8-inch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So even though cargo and rear seat space are on the tight side, it feels way more upscale than that price suggests. Here's the play. Take that $199 ad, then go to quotes.everymandriver.com and see what invoice pricing looks like in your zip code. If the dealer discount plus Mazda's program gets your effective payment lower than the ad, you're winning. If you want something cheap that doesn't feel cheap, look at the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. It's one of the least expensive new vehicles on sale, but the cabin and cargo area are surprisingly solid for the money. The Black Friday offer, around $289 a month for 2 years with $3,800 at signing for the Trax LT. That too is through December 1st. It comes with a digital gauge cluster, an 11-inch touchscreen. Again, way more tech than the old EconoBox stereotype. Use that ad as leverage. Pull a free quote at the website, quotes.everymandriver.com. Compare dealer invoices and see if there's extra cash on the hood in your region. Now for buyers who want to own instead of lease, I got you, the 2025 Volkswagen Taos. Volkswagen's offering 0% financing for 60 months, and in many areas you can choose between that, a zero down lease, or a cashback incentive. You've got options here. The Taos was just refreshed. You get a comfortable, upscale feeling interior, lots of cargo room for a small SUV. The engine isn't a rocket, but it's perfectly fine for commuting and road trips, and the fuel economy is solid. Before you pick a path, whether it's 0% APR or cashback, use the website link below. Sometimes taking cash and financing at a significantly higher rate still beats the 0% math, depending on price and term. EV shoppers, this is a big one, the 2025 Kia EV6. The federal EV tax credit might be gone, it is gone, for a lot of buyers, but Kia is stepping up with 0% financing for 72 months, plus $2,500 in bonus cash on certain trims. Or if you're paying cash or have a strong trade, there's an option for up to $10,000 cash back instead of the 0% offer. The EV6 is one of the better driving electric SUVs out there with multiple powertrains and up to about 320 miles of range. Stylish, quick, and generally fun to drive. Good for families. This is exactly where that website will come in. Check what your local dealers are doing with pricing, then decide, do I take the cash, do you take the 0% financing, or do you push for both? Some will get creative to move that inventory. If full EVs still make you nervous, I understand. How about a plug-in hybrid? That's a good middle ground. The 2025 Ford Escape plug-in hybrid has a strong Black Friday offer. In many areas around the country, you can get $7,000 cash back on the Escape PHEV, good until January. You get about 37 miles of electric range for your daily errands, and then switch over to a regular hybrid once the battery's done. No range anxiety. Just plug in when you can and drive like a normal gas car when you can't. Again, check quotes.everymandriver.com for real world pricing. If you can stack dealer discount on top of that $7,000, you're walking away with a serious, efficient SUV for a lot less than sticker. Staying with plug-in hybrids now, the 2025 Kia Sportage PHEV X-Line has one of those better lease structures this Friday. Around $280 a month for 2 years with $3,800 at signing. That's good through December 1st. That price is impressive when you realize you're getting all-wheel drive, about 34 miles of electric-only range, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, heated front seats, panoramic sunroof, and a hands-free power liftgate. It's a very well-equipped compact SUV for a relatively low monthly payment. And then there's this, the 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E. You can debate whether it's a real Mustang at Thanksgiving dinner, but the lease numbers are legit. There's a $253 per month lease for 3 years with $4,200 due at signing on a select trim in many regions, again through December 1st. Rear-wheel drive, an EPA estimated 260 miles of range, 19-inch wheels, synthetic leather, and a big 15.5-inch touchscreen. You can't miss it. For a performance-oriented EV with that setup, the payment is very competitive. Truck time, the 2025 Tacoma has a Black Friday lease deal, around $229 a month for 39 months, with $5,000 due at signing. That's on an SR5 double cab four-wheel drive, again through December 1st. Other trims may have better deals. This is Toyota's bread and butter midsize pickup, 278 horsepower, turbo four-cylinder, plenty of capability, and it just won a Best Midsize Pickup for the Money Award because it's not only affordable to buy, it's affordable to own. If you want a truck that holds value and doesn't feel enormous, this one is ready for a quote. Just plug your zip code in at quotes.everymandriver.com. On the more comfortable end of the truck spectrum, you've got the Honda Ridgeline. Honda's offering $3,000 cash back on a 2025 model or $1,500 if you move up to a 2026. Either way, it's a good deal. This is a unibody, car-based pickup. That means smoother ride, better handling, a cabin that feels like a pilot with a bed attached, really. It still tows and hauls plenty for light-duty users and weekend warriors. All-wheel drive, standard. V6 power and day-to-day livability is excellent. If you want to forget your in-laws and disappear up a trail for a few days, how about a Wrangler 2025? For Black Friday, some buyers are seeing up to $4,000 cash back on Wranglers through December 1st. We all know the trade-offs. Yep, phenomenal off-road ability, removable doors, roof, big personality, but also poor fuel economy goes with the territory, and a ride that feels old school compared to other compact SUVs. A lot of owners like that, so give and take. If you've been on the fence for one, let the cash back do part of the convincing for you, but still shop it through the website. Wrangler offers a wide spread between MSRP, invoice, and what dealers are willing to take. The 2025 Nissan Pathfinder is playing the choice game. You can go 0% financing for 60 months or $5,000 cash back, good through December 1st. It's a strong all-around three-row SUV with seating up to 8, a V6 engine, higher than average tow rating, and a top safety pick plus credential. The Rock Creek trim adds some off-road flavor if you need a bit more trail or snow confidence. The key is to run the numbers through multiple dealerships in your area and figure out if the 0% or $5,000 gets you the lower total cost of ownership down. A couple more here. Hyundai is pushing hard for Black Friday with the 2025 and 2026 Santa Fe and Tucson. 0% financing for 60 months and in many cases, no first payment for 3 months. And as you may or may not know, Hyundai's excellent warranty comes with it, 10 years and 100,000 mile powertrain coverage. Always good. If you want a family workhorse with modern looks and long coverage, this is one to put on your quote list. We'll finish off with a classic, the 2026 Toyota Corolla. There's a lease floating around for around $180 a month for 39 months with $4,000 due at signing on the LE trim. It's not flashy, but the Corolla is legendary for being affordable to own, reliable, easy to live with. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, plus Toyota's safety suite. For commuters, college students, or anyone just needing basic transportation on the cheap, this is hard to beat if the math works in your zip code. Again, quotes.everymandriver.com will tell you if these leases beat a purchase or a certified used alternative. There's a direct link below to the website. Again, all based on zip code. Make, model, and zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, easy solution, change the zip code. If you're willing to travel a little bit outside your area, it could be worth hundreds, possibly thousands of dollars in savings on your next new or used car, truck, or SUV. Again, there's a direct link below the video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com. You can save $50 right now on the Nuvio Recovery Chiller. It works with any tub, bathtub, cold tub, indoors or out. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start plunging. Use my code below and grab your deal today. Want to save 5% on your very own at-home barrel sauna? I've partnered with Almost Heaven to hook you up. This has been a game changer for my recovery and daily routine. Use my code and link below and start sweating smarter. You can save 5% on the red light panel that I use every week. This platinum LED Biomax works anywhere: bedroom, gym, recovery room, and is packed with science-backed benefits. Use my code below and start feeling the difference today.